friends, it's Miss Marci. Today we are going to play a very fun game from Egg Roll Games called Puzzle Farm Imagination Adventure. Are you ready to play with me? We are going to do a puzzle with a mama chick and 3 baby chicks. Let's play. Oh, look, it's the chicken's tail. Let's put the chicken's tail on her back. The tail goes on her back. And there's her wing. She can flap her wings. Let's put those wings on the bottom. And this is her tummy. Where's your tummy? Show me your tummy. Tummy, tummy, tummy. Good job. The tummy goes on her front. And here's the chicken's head. Where's your head? Head, head, head. That's right. And here is her baby. Let's put the baby in front of her. Let's put the baby in front. The baby is going to sit in front of Mama. Yay! Oh, look, here's another baby. Let's put this baby behind Mama. We'll put it behind Mama next to her tail. The baby is behind Mama. Look at this baby. What a silly baby. This baby has sunglasses. Do baby chicks have sunglasses? No, that is so silly. This baby is going to go on top. The baby is on top of Mama. Should we say hi to the baby chicks and to Mama? Should we say hi? Peep, peep. The chick said hi to you. Peep, peep. Oh, I think somebody else is going to say hi. The baby chick from behind says hi. The baby chick says, peep, peep. Can you peep at the baby chicks? Let me hear your peep. Good job. The baby on top is saying, peep, peep. That's right. Yay, baby chicks. Should we say hi to Mama? Let's say hi to Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, the Mama says cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Can I hear your cluck? Are you going to cluck at Mama? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yeah, good job. We played with Mama and all 3 of her chicks. 1, 2, 3 chicks and 1 Mama. Mama. That's right. Bye, baby chicks. Bye, Mama. That was so fun, friends. Thank you for playing with me and the chickens. If you like these videos, tell your grown-up to like and subscribe, and you can see all of Miss Marci's videos as soon as they come out. Bye-bye. I love you, and I can't wait to see you again.